How to change your name on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your name on Likee, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your app. Once you are there, click on me at the bottom for you to go to your profile. Once you are here, click on edit and click on name, and here you can change your name. For example, let's change it. Save. And this is it. Now when we go back, they're gonna save this information to my profile like you see. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.